Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-Star owners using Rhode Island's UST data. So I wanted to first go over a blog post on Convenience Talk. Use this as a starting point. It is a blog post that includes links to all the UST databases. And if I go down to Rhode Island and click on this link, it'll take me to this site. And if you scroll down the page here to the inventory and download this list, I brought it up into Google Docs. And I applied a filter, and you apply filters in Google Docs up here. And so I filtered by facility class, so you have some choices here. Click out of this, and then also I wanted a status of in use over here, and so I filtered for that. And so what this file contains is a site name. So you won't necessarily have the owner name, but you can see this looks like an owner. And you'll have the type of substance that's housed, but because this is already identified as a gas station, you don't really need that information. So this would be your list. And that's it for Rhode Island. My name is Melanie, and thank you for watching this video.